Hello. I just got some canvases in from my printer. And let's take a look. I am so excited. Ooh, they wrapped them up really well. Oh no. There we go. Oh! Twice the paper. I will use that to pack, use that for space. For what? When I pack canvases, I'll use that to pack the end so the diamond painting doesn't bounce around in the box. That's what I'm trying to say. Here they are. Here they are, here they are. Okay. This is Cozy, what is it? Coffee Cafe. Cozy Coffee Cafe. Cozy Coffee Cafe. Oh my goodness, I'm so freaking excited. And this, I will include the legend and the drill count. I don't put the legend on the canvas in case you want to frame it after the fact. But it does have a Homespun Hobby on there because this is my artwork. So this is about 8.5 by 11 or so, give or take, with the 2-inch border around the edge. Here, I'm going to give you a close-up of the canvas. Make sure you can see the symbols. Can you see them enough? Make sure they're in focus. There. All right, I have these in stock. I'm going to put some adhesive on them, pack the drills. I'm so excited. You can find these on homespunhobby.com. Thank you for your support.